Before you speak to your boss about your injury, you need to hear this. Understand that everything that you say is going to be dissected and gone over with a fine-tooth comb at some point in time down the line. So if you're asked about prior similar conditions, make sure that you are being honest if you're going to provide that information. If you are going to provide that information and you provide false, incomplete, or misleading information, that could be insurance fraud, which is a third-degree felony if you are not being honest with your employer. And when you're reporting your accident to the employer, what you really want to do is just provide when, how, and what parts of your body were injured, and you don't want to leave anything off there. If you hurt your shoulder but it's not as bad, you better report it, because later on down the road, maybe your shoulder is going to be bothering you more because your back has gotten better, so now you're focusing on that more or something like that. You want to make sure that you provide all of that information, and you need to keep in mind that when you go to the doctors that they send you to, you need to also be honest with them about any prior similar injuries or conditions or accidents that you've had. It doesn't mean that you have to go in and just lay everything out on the table for them, but if you're asked about, have you ever hurt this before, have you ever had a prior accident, you need to be honest. That can really, really hurt you in the end. It can be a third-degree felony, as I said, and a complete denial to your case.